Let's now talk about decomposition temperature and solubility. So basically, if we have nitrates, carbonates, hydroxides, bicarbonates, permanganates, and chlorates, down the group their decomposition temperature increases. While down the group, the solubility of hydroxides, carbonates, sulfites, and oxalates and chromates, they increase down the group. That is to say, for every other group except these, the decomposition temperature decreases down the group, while for every group other than these, the solubility decreases down the group. So keep that in mind. So tell me why. So I'll tell you why exactly is it that down the group these compounds increases their decomposition temperature. That's because down the group the cation size increases, thereby the polarizing power of the cation decreases, because that happens when increasing the size. Therefore the polarization of the compound decreases, and thereby the ionic nature of the compound increases, and thereby the decomposition temperature of the compound increases. Now, why is it that the solubility of these increase down the group? Well, basically, the solubility of a compound depends on this thing called dissolution enthalpy. And dissolution enthalpy depends on the hydration enthalpy and the lattice enthalpy of it. Basically, if you want the solubility to increase, you should decrease the dissolution enthalpy. And dissolution enthalpy is virtually the adding of the hydration enthalpy and the lattice enthalpy. So basically what happens, down the group the hydration enthalpy decreases, thus decreasing the solubility. Well, that's a bummer. The hydration enthalpy decreases, decreasing the solubility. But the lattice enthalpy, it decreases down the group and increasing solubility. So basically what happens, the lattice enthalpy, it decreases faster than the decrease of hydration enthalpy. So thereby, because of that, the net addition of this, that is the dissolution enthalpy, the net effect makes it decrease down the group. And when the dissolution enthalpy decreases down the group, the solubility increases. And these are the solubility and the decomposition temperature relations. Lol.